two vectors are unit vector inclined at 60 degree, then which relation is correct? Sum number 30 we are doing it. If two vectors A bar and B bar are unit vector, so I should write that as cap, angle is 60 degree. What will be their resultant sum if they are unit vector inclined by 60 degree? Magnitude of sum A cap plus B cap's magnitude will be √3 times any one vector's magnitude.
Yes, sir.
Because we have done this theory, two vectors are equal, result is √3 times if inclined by 60 degree. So this is √3, magnitude of A cap is 1, equals to √3, which is greater than 1. Check, do we have this option? Sum is greater than 1.
Sure.
Sum
Yes,
of
sir.
two vector greater than 1. It is option A. That is the required answer. So because they are unit vector, magnitude of both A cap, B cap is 1. So two equal vector inclined at 60, result is √3 times. √3 times is √3 1. √3 is greater than 1. So correct option is A. (31) 12 different coplanar maintain a body in equilibrium, then angle between the adjacent forces will be how much? Equilibrium means net force 0, and net force 0 means it forms regular polygon. For regular polygon, angle theta is 360 by n. These are total how many vectors? 12 vectors. So 360 upon 12 equals to 30 degree. So angle is 30 degree between the two vectors. Equilibrium means net force 0. If 0, then it forms closed or regular closed polygon. Closed polygon. Then angle for closed polygon, remember it is 360 upon side, that is 12. Can I clear this to now?
Wait, sir.
You have been given any exam timetable? Hello?
Yes, sir.
When is physics exam?
Friday.
Friday? Okay. So physics Friday you will have MCQ test on scalars vector. This Friday. Scalars vector exam. Next, sum number 32. If P bar plus Q bar equal to R bar. If P bar plus Q bar equal to R bar, that means three vectors are forming triangle. This is the meaning of this. Such that magnitude of P is same as magnitude of Q equals to √3 and R is 3. Then angle between P and Q is. Anybody can apply any logic? Two vectors are of equal magnitude. Result is 3. What is angle between P and Q? Anybody can understand? Any shortcut?
45. It will be 45 degrees.
No.
It will be 45 degrees.
How 45 degree? It will be 60 degree.
So,
Two vectors are equal and angle is 60, then √3 times given vector. Na? So √3 into √3 will become 3. Shortcut say it will come 60 degree. Now if you are not remembering shortcut, you can write r square equal to p square plus q square plus 2pq into cos theta. See, by shortcut I said when result is root 3 times given vector. So this is root 3. Iska root 3 will become 3. Then angle is 60. 45 minute is root 2 times. If that doesn't clicks in my mind, then I will put the values. This is 3 square equal to root 3 square plus root 3 square plus 2 into root 3 into cos theta. In case I don't know that shortcut. So this is 3 square 9. Root 3 square is 3 plus 3 plus 2 into 3 into cos of theta. So 9 equal to 6 plus 6 cos theta. 3 equal to 6 cos theta. Half equals to cos theta. Theta equal to 60 degree. Answer 60 degree. Or our property. Two vectors are equal. Angle is 60. Answer is root 3 times. So 3 is root 3 times root 3. Shortcut में 60 degree could have written. Next 33. Next, given that a plus b plus c is 0, a plus b plus c vector is 0. Out of 3 vectors, 2 are equal in magnitude, and the magnitude of third is root 2 times either of the 2. Out of these 3, 2 are equal in magnitude, and third vector is root 2 times the either of the vectors magnitude. Then what are angle between vectors? So you all think and tell me at least your choice, then we'll see whether it is right or wrong. Hello? As per you, any idea?
It will be B.
Pardon?
It will be B. Option B.
That is common mistake. We usually write B. Now see, you are not wrong. Common mistake is that. So if sum of 3 vector is 0, that means the 2 vector ka sum must be opposite to that of third. This is the meaning. You know?
Yes.
So I told A and B are equal, and result is 2 root 2 times. That means 2 vectors must be perpendicular. That is for sure. Then only if this is A bar, this is B bar, both are same magnitude. Here this is root 2 times of any one vector. Suppose this is A, this is A. If they are perpendicular, this is root 2A. But C is not sum, it is difference. See, A bar plus B bar equal to minus C bar. That means minus of A bar plus B bar will become C bar. Minus मतलब इसका उल्टा इधर जाना चाहिए ना ये. This is C bar. Any doubt in understanding? Root 2, 2 vectors are equal. That means perpendicular, ये fix. But condition is total is 0. So third should be ulta of resultant. Now tell me what is angle between A and B? 90 degree?
Yes, sir.
And between B and C, 135. This is 135 because this is a bisector. तो ये भी इसका bisector. 90 is this. This will be 260, 270. The bisector will become 135, 135. So answer will be 90, 135, 135, which by mistake we may write 45, 45 and 90. So correct answer is therefore B. DT. Printing में B है, it should be D. Yes, completed.
Yes, sir.
34. Out of the following set of forces, the resultant of which cannot be zero. Look on the board, on the screen in fact. 34, which cannot be zero. 10, 10, 10. इसका maximum is 20, minimum is 0. इसके बीच में there can be 10. That 10 and this 10 can become 0. So this is not the answer. Again see, 10, 10 का maximum 20, minimum 0. 0 और 20 का बीच में we can have 10. This 10 and this 10 can become 0. Second one, 10, 10, 20. अभी ये तो simple है. 10, 10, 20 maximum. Minimum is 0. So this 20 and this 20 can become 0. Even this is not answer. C. 10, 20, 20. 10 plus 20 ka maximum 30. Minimum is 10. Somewhere in between we can have 20. Still even this can be 0. So by default D cannot be 0. Let us check. 10, 20, 40 cannot be 0. 10 plus 20 is 30 is maximum. Minimum is 10. We can't have 40 here. So this is correct answer. Will not give you 0. First I found max minimum of first one. उसके बीच में किधर तो 10 होगा. 10 and 10 can become 0. Same way second maximum is 20, minimum 0. 20, 20 मिलके 0 हो सकता है. 10 and 20 का maximum 30, minimum is 10. इसके बीच में 20 आएगा. 20, 20 0 हो सकता है. Last वाला नहीं हो सकता. Okay, done. Is completed?
Yes, sir.
Sum number 35. Two vectors A and B are such that their sum A vector plus B vector is equals to C vector, and A square plus B square is equals to C square. This means it is forming triangle. This means triangle, and this means it is forming right angled triangle. C is hypotenuse, A and B are other two sides. So let us check what they want. Theta is angle between A and B. What will be angle between A and B? Angle between A and B is 90 degree, or 90 degree is called pi by 2 radians. So theta equals to pi by 2, option D. So 36. A and B are two vectors such that magnitude of A bar plus B bar is twice the magnitude of A bar minus B bar. The angle between A and B is how much? Angle between A and B we want. So A plus B magnitude is twice A minus B magnitude. This is root of A square plus B square plus 2AB into cos theta is equals to 2 times A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. Now when I square this, squaring both sides, we get A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta equals to 4 times A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. See, nothing will get cancelled, because when you open this, this is 4A square plus 4B square minus 8AB. Nothing, no arrangement you will get. So answer will be D, data is insufficient. Had it been only equal, then 90 degree you will get. Here we can't simplify. So data insufficient. Next sum. If A is given, B is given, which of the following statement is correct? A bar equals to 3i cap plus 4j cap, and B bar is 6i cap plus 8j cap. Then which is correct? Cross product 0 or magnitude ratio half? See, sometimes when you see the given vector, it should click in your mind. I can clearly see 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. Na? You can also see that means. है ना? Hello?
Yes, sir.
अभी तो clearly दिख गया ना, 3/6 is 4/8. Is the ratio same? Equal to half?
Yes, sir.
So whenever you get ax upon bx equals to ay upon by, then a bar is parallel to b bar. If parallel रहता है तो ऐसा ratio आता है. So parallel means what is cross product? 0 na? Hello? If two vectors are parallel, what is cross product? 0?
Yes, sir.
And parallel means ratio of I, coefficient of I should be same as J, same as K. K is not here, so no need to take that. That means 3 upon 6 is 4 upon 8, which is half. Therefore, vectors are parallel. Parallel means cross product 0. Cross product 0 is coming in option A. A is the required one. 4 चैप्टर हो गया ना, माइंड एकदम शार्प हो जाएगा. This is second we are doing. Yes, completed. 37. Yes or no? Completed.
So-
36. Yeah. Say.
So why the answer can't be B1?
Answer can't be.
B1. Is it possible that answer can be B?
3 square plus 4 square will become 3 square plus 4 square will be 5. 6 square plus 10. So magnitude is half. Yes, even that can become. So it is A and B both are correct here. Correct. Both are correct. Yes, you are right. So option is A and B both are correct. Correct, correct. Vatsal, na? Vatsal said this answer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, both are correct. Correct. Sum number 38. 38. In a clockwise system, which is correct. In a clockwise system, which is correct. See, they are telling clockwise system, but for positive we have to follow anti-clockwise. Huh? System तो clock वाला ही है, मतलब clock का उल्टा anti-clock बोलते हैं. J cross K is what? What is J cross K? Can you tell me? J cross K, you are going in anti-clockwise. So it is I cap. Hello? So first itself is correct, na? In a clockwise system, J cross K should be I cap. That is correct. Next, a vector A points vertically upward and B points towards north. The vector product of A and B is what? I'm giving you 1 minute. You all try first. A vector A is pointing north and B is pointing A vertically upward and B is pointing north. And B is pointing north, A is vertically upward. Then what is the vector product of A cross B? A bar cross B bar we have to find. What's any answer?
Zero.
0 can't be correct. 0 if they are parallel, they are not parallel. See, कैसा meaning? If B is north, तो इससे मैंने नीचे बना दिया, ये horizontal plane में रहता है नीचे, north. बोर्ड पे हम लोग ऐसा बनाते हैं, वो incorrect है. It is in the horizontal plane. So this is north. and this is vertically upward. तो दोनों का बीच में एंगल 90 डिग्री है. So it can't be 0 first, because cross product when we get sin 90, sin 90 is not 0. Anybody else tried?
Vertically downwards.
Vertically downward you are getting. एक थोड़ा सा लॉजिक बता देता हूं आपको. वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड क्यों नहीं है? A and B का रिजल्ट will be perpendicular to A also, perpendicular to B also. So vertically downward वाला parallel, anti-parallel to A होएगा. So that is not the answer. When you say IJ का क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट K, मतलब ये X Y दोनों को perpendicular है ना, वेक्टर प्रोडक्ट. So that's why it is not true. Okay, 1 minute. All of you halt. A is vertically upward. This is upward. Upward can I take as J cap? A bar is along J cap, ऐसा ऊपर आया तो. It's up to you. Upward को मैंने J में assume किया है. Which is for me vertically upward Y axis का ऊपर. Cross B. This is inward ना? Inward. So can I say it is minus K cap? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What is J cross K? I, correct. So this is minus of J cross K, that will become minus I. Minus I means which side? Left, na? Hello? Minus I, left. Left means along west. Because if this is north, this is south, this is east, this is west, so we'll get along west. Very important. Along west, B is the option. Next, 40th. Sum number 40. First write this properly. Everybody write down. Next one. If A bar cross B bar is √3 times dot product, then what is value of their sum? To get sum, we require angle between two vectors. And to get angle between two vectors, this condition is given. This is A, B, sine theta. And this one is A, B, cos theta. A, B cancel. Sine upon cos √3. Tan theta √3. Theta equal to 60 degree. So sum of two vector magnitude is root of A square plus B square plus 2AB into cos theta is cos 60 here. And cos 60 is half. So we get A square plus B square plus 2AB into half. 2 will get cancelled. That is same as A square plus B square plus AB. Check whether you have this option. A square plus B square plus AB. Yes. Matching is D. Root they have taken power as 1 by 2.
Done.
Okay, 41. Work done by force F equals to work done by force F bar, which is I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap Newton. It displaces the body from A to B. Position vector for A is and B is R1 and R2. Find the work done if the body is displaced from A to B and A, B ka position vector is given. So this is net displacement. I'm calling dr bar. Dr bar is R2 bar minus R1 bar. R2 is position vector of B, which is 2i cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap minus of I cap plus 3j cap plus 3k cap position vector of first one. 2i minus 1i is I. 2j minus 1j, 3j is minus j. Minus plus minus, so minus 6k. Now from this, work done is F bar dot dr bar, which is I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap dot with I cap minus j cap minus 6k cap. I dot I is 1 into 1 plus 2 into minus 1 plus 3 into minus 6. Minus 6. 1 into 1 is 1, minus 2, minus 18. So equals to minus 19 joule. है क्या देखो? No, कुछ तो wrong है फिर. एक second हाँ. 2i minus 1i is I. 2j is j. 3k. Oh, दोनों plus था. Both are plus. This is also plus. This is also plus, so it will become 0k, 0k. That is here 0. So 1 into 1 minus 2 plus 0. 1 into 1 is 1. This is 2 minus 3. Two I plus 2j plus 3k is I minus 3j. Yes. (41) I plus 2j plus 3k displaces from A to B. A is I plus 3 and B is 2i plus 2j plus 3k. Then what is work done? Option R 1 plus 2 plus 3. 5 3. Okay. एक सेकंड थोड़ा सा चेंजेस कर दो. चेंजेस इन द सेंस इसको -2 कर दो. नहीं, एक प्लस माइनस का एरर है. Otherwise it will get the answer. 1 minute, I'm just telling you where there is the error. Just copy this concept part first. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Make the small change in the values. I'm writing it on the screen. Make the change. F is perfect. Of I 2 plus 3 displaces body. Position vector of A is R1 bar is I cap plus 3j cap plus 1k cap. And R2 bar is 2i plus 2j plus 3k. Perfect. तो ये R1 bar wrong है, अपना printing में error है. It is just k cap. So 2i minus I is I, 2j is minus j, 3 minus 1k will become plus 2k. So plus 2k. That means 1 into 1, 2 into minus 1, and 3 into 2 is 6. So 1 minus 2 plus 6. That means 3 joule is the required answer.
Sir,
Yes.
the answer will be 5 joule.
1 minus 2 is 1. 5 joule. Sorry, 5 joule. 5 joule है ना option? Yeah, 5 joule. 5 joule. Okay. Next sum. The condition (41). The condition A bar dot B bar square equal to A square B square is satisfied when A and B are parallel. A is not equal to B, A dot B is 1, or A is perpendicular to B. So dot product means A, B, cos theta, A square, B square, ये magnitude खत्म. So cos theta equal to ये square आ जाएगा, square square square. So cos square theta equal to 1. That means cos theta is 1. Cos of which angle is 1?
45.
0.
0. Cos 0 is 1. If angle is 0, that means two vectors are parallel to each other. A option. Option A.
So, so can you explain this again?
So A bar dot B bar का square है ना? If what is A bar dot B bar formula? A B cos square कर दिया तो ये सबको square मिला. So A square B square cancel, cos square theta 1. That means cos theta is 1 taking square root. Cos of which angle is 1? That is 0.
Okay.
That is possible if two vectors are parallel. Pushkar is present. Pushkar. Pushkar Sawant is present. पुष्कर का तबीयत ठीक नहीं बोल रहा था. पुष्कर एब्सेंट है क्या? Yes, can I clear it now? 42.
Yes, sir.
Yes. 42. If A has magnitude of 2 and B has magnitude of 5. A bar cross B bar has magnitude of 8. Angle between A and B is acute. Then find what is A bar dot B bar. A bar cross B bar is having magnitude AB sine theta. 8 equals to 2 into 5 sine theta. 2 into 4, 8. So 4 upon 5 is sine theta. In dot product, we require cosine. So whenever sine is given and you want cosine, then you have to draw one right angle triangle. Here this is suppose theta. Sine theta is opposite side upon hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem, this is 3. So cos theta is 3 upon 5. Now A bar dot B bar is A B cos theta. A is 2, B is 5, cos theta 3 upon 5. 2 into 3, 6. Answer 6. Dot product is 6. Okay, done. Is completed 42?
Yes, sir.
Next one, take 1 minute again. First you all try. Modulus of vector product. This is modulus of vector product means cross product is 1 upon root 3 times of dot product means scalar product. Then what is angle between vector? Please try. I think you all will get the answer. 30 degree आएगा शायद. Let us check.
Yes, sir, it's 30 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Because AB sine theta is cross, dot is AB cos. So this will get cancelled. Sine upon cos is 1 by root 3. Tan theta 1 by root 3. Theta equals to 30. Theta 30. Next 44th. The area of parallelogram determined by A bar equals to 2I cap plus J cap minus 3K cap and B bar equals to 12 j cap minus 2 cap. 12 j cap minus 2k cap. Area of parallelogram determined by 2i plus 3j minus 3k, and 12j minus 2k is approximately how much? Area of a parallelogram is magnitude of cross product of adjacent sides of parallelogram. Now A bar cross B bar is determinant of I cap, J cap, K cap. 2, 1 minus 3, 0, 12 minus 2. So this is I cap bracket minus J cap bracket plus K cap bracket. Now to fill the bracket of I, forget about I wala column. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Minus minus plus 12 3s are 36. For J, forget about J wala column. 2 into minus 2 will be minus 4. Minus 3 into 0 is 0. For K, 2 into 12, 24 minus 0. So this becomes 34 I cap plus 4 J cap plus 24 K cap. So magnitude of this cross product is root of 34 square plus 4 square plus 24 square. Please try till this. Fifth. This was 45th. All of you try and rough what you will get 34 square. So by common sense also you can say total answer will be 74. Because 34 square and 24 square cannot be 43. 43 is too close. 56 also नहीं हो सकता है. तो एक ही option बच गया 74 without calculation. So if I take this as 30, 30 का 900 हो गया. This if I take 20, 20 का 400. 900, 400 will be 1300. Hello?
Yes, sir.
How much you are getting? 74?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I didn't calculate it because orally also you can check by logic. It can't be 43, 53. So it has to be close to that. Next sum पे जाते हैं. 46th. Three vectors A bar, B bar, C bar satisfies the relation dot product is 0. A bar dot C bar is also 0, then vector A is parallel to which vector? Again, I wish that first you think as per your concept, and then I will proceed. Concept is dot product 0 means perpendicular. Dot product 0 means perpendicular. ये concept. You want A bar is parallel to whom?
So it will be C.
It will be C. C is wrong. C answer is wrong. Huh? So now let us check. A bar must be perpendicular to B bar. Then only dot product is 0. Same A bar must be perpendicular to C bar. Then dot product is 0. So A bar is parallel to whom? A bar is parallel to something like this. A bar is parallel to this. Okay, this vector is perpendicular to B also, perpendicular to C also. So A bar is parallel to vector which is perpendicular to B bar and C bar both. That is B bar cross C bar, because this is vector which is perpendicular to both B and C. So A bar is parallel to B bar cross C bar, option D. Important sum. Any doubt? Everybody's followed the concept of this again? These are all good sums where you are forced to think something. When you think, your mind will work. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Next sum. Sum number 47. What is the dot product of vector whose magnitudes are 3 and 5 and angle between them is 60? This you should do on your own. Magnitude 3, 5, angle is 60. That means 3 into 5 into cos 60. Cos 60 is half, 7.5. Did you get 7.5?
Yes, sir.
Next one, try karo 48. Next sum, treat it. Unit vector perpendicular to vector. ये भी सही सम है. Unit vector perpendicular to a bar equals to minus 3i cap minus 2j cap minus 3k cap, and b bar equals to 2i cap plus 4j cap plus 6k cap. Unit vector perpendicular to both a and b. Which vector is first perpendicular to both a and b? Forget about unit. Which vector is perpendicular to both a bar and b bar? Anybody knows? Which vector is perpendicular to a and b? Chalo, Amy, which vector is perpendicular to both a and b? Which is that vector which is perpendicular to both a and b? Vatsal?
A cross B.
A cross b bar. So a bar cross b bar is a vector perpendicular to both a bar and b bar. So my required unit vector must be along a bar b bar, then only it is unit vector perpendicular to both. Thus unit vector perpendicular to a bar comma b bar is along a bar cross b bar. This is one of the important terms. So if I want unit vector perpendicular to a bar b bar, it is unit vector along a bar b bar, because this is perpendicular to both a and b. Please copy this 3 line. And anybody who is not understanding, please keep on disturbing and asking again and again. Unit vector perpendicular to a bar and b bar is along a bar cross b bar. Written? Yes, written.
Wait, sir.
Okay, waiting.
Done, sir.
So far you got idea that unit vector perpendicular to a bar and b bar is along a bar cross b bar. That means that required vector, that means unit vector, is along direction of a bar cross b bar. So its value will be a bar cross b bar divided by its magnitude. If a cap is unit vector along a bar, then it is given by a bar upon a. Same way, if our required unit vector is along a bar cross b bar, then cross product upon its magnitude is the required answer. So A bar cross B bar I am finding by determinant method. It is I cap, J cap, K cap. What is I, J, K का coefficient for A?
Three, 2, 3.
Huh?
3 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3.
3 minus 2 minus 3. 3 minus 2 minus. And B is
So it's minus 3. I is also minus.
I is also minus. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 3. And D is 2, 4, 6. I cap bracket minus J cap bracket plus K cap. Minus 2 into 6 is minus 12, minus minus plus 4, 3 is 12. For J, minus 18, minus minus plus 6. And for K, minus 12, minus minus plus 4. So this will become I cap 0, minus J cap, minus 18 plus 6 is minus 12, plus K cap minus 8. So this is 12 J cap minus 8 K cap. So unit vector will be 12J minus 8K upon magnitude 12 square plus 8 square. 12J आंसर में I cap, J cap, 3J, 15. Okay. Just copy till this. Space is not there. I'm doing. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 2 4 6 1. This is if you take 4 common, 3J minus 2K cap root of 144 plus 69. 144 plus 64 कितना हो जाएगा?
Two zero eight.
308
208.
208
The root of
144 and 64 is 802 208. Anything we can take common?
Root 13.
So it is 4 times 3J cap minus 2K cap upon 16 into 13 you are getting, right? So 4 into this 4 root 13. This 4 will get cancelled. A is the correct option. A is correct option. After this, sum number 41. Sum number 49. Vector P equals to 6i cap plus 4 root 2j cap plus 4 root 2k cap makes an angle from z-axis. Angle with z-axis will be equal to P bar is 6i 4 root 2 j 4 root k angle made with z-axis. With z-axis, first we can find cos gamma, which is P z upon magnitude of P, that is 4 root 2 upon root of 6 square plus, this is 4 ka square 16 into 2, 32. 4 root 2 square plus 4 root 2 ka square. So it will become 4 root 2 upon 6 square 36 plus 32 plus 32. So 4 root 2 upon 2, 2, 4, 6, 10. 100. That is 4 root 2 upon 10. 2 into 2, 4, 2 5s are 10. So we are getting cos inverse of 2 root 2 upon 5. Therefore, gamma is cos inverse of 2 root 2 upon 5. Correct options. If completed, please tell us so that I can go to the next. Yes, completed 49.
Yes, sir.
After 50, I will give you 10 minutes break. Sum number 50. Given A bar equals to I cap plus J cap plus K cap, and B bar equals to minus I cap minus J cap minus K cap, then A bar minus B bar will make angle with A how much? So first we'll find what is A bar minus B bar, then angle made with A bar minus B bar and A bar. I minus of minus 2i, j minus minus plus 2j. This is again minus minus plus 2k. I think A bar minus B bar, it is simple algebraic addition subtraction, no doubt at all. Correct na?
Yes,
The
sir.
angle between A bar minus B bar, all sums you have to practice again at home. एक बार लॉकडाउन ओपन हो गया तो सबका बुक लेना पड़ेगा चेक करने के लिए. And A bar, so I can say A bar minus B bar dot with A bar upon A bar minus B bar magnitude into A bar magnitude is cosine of angle between them. Just check whether you have understood this. Angle between A minus B and A is, I thought of dot product because dot product में cos आ जाएगा. So this is 2i plus 2j plus 2k का dot with I cap plus j cap plus k cap upon root of 2 square plus 2 square plus 2 square into root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. This is cos of theta. So 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1 is numerator upon 2 square 4 plus 4 plus 4 will be 12 root of 1 plus 3. So this is 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 upon 6 equal to 1. Cos theta 1. So what is theta? 0 degree? Hello? Cos theta is 1. So what is theta? 0 degree?
Yes, sir.
So
This is the answer. Minus 1 आएगा तो लिखना पड़ेगा 180 degree. Completed? Yes, completed now. 50th?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now so many sums we did. Take 10 minutes strategic break. Don't go anywhere. Be in the meeting. Relax. component of A along B is, what is meaning of component of A along B? A cos theta is called component of A along B. 51. Component of A along B is nothing but A cos theta, which is A bar dot B bar upon B. A bar is 2i cap plus 3j cap. It's dot with B. B is I cap plus j cap upon root of 1 square plus 1 square. So 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1 upon root 2. 5 upon root 2. 5 upon root 2 is option A. 5 upon root 2, option A. Okay, done now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
52. Which of the following is a unit vector? Which of the following is unit vector means you have to check which vector's magnitude is 1. So first wale ka magnitude will be 1 square plus 1 square root 2. This is not unit vector. Second case, cos theta I cap minus sin theta j cap. What will be its magnitude? Anybody can tell? Cos square theta plus of minus sin theta the square. So this is nothing but cos square theta plus sin square theta. What is sin square plus cos square? 1. So this is required answer. Its magnitude is 1. 52 ka option B. Next one. The component of vector along any other direction, component will be always less than its magnitude. Correct? Huh? If component, then it is always part. So part of total is always less than its magnitude. 53. Correct option A, less than. Component will be always less than. 54. P is given perpendicular to Q, then A is how much? Again, important sum. 54. A vector P bar is 3i cap minus 2j cap plus ak cap is perpendicular to Q bar, which is 2i cap plus j cap minus k cap. Perpendicular means dot product is 0. So 3i minus 2j plus ak cap dot of 2i plus j minus k cap is 0. So 3 into 2 plus minus 2 into 1 plus a into minus 1 is 0. So this will become 3 into 2, 6 minus 2 minus a is 0. 4 minus a is 0. Therefore, a equal to 4. The option A equal to 4? Yes. C is the answer. Whenever two vectors are perpendicular, dot product is 0. Is completed? (54) completed. Huh?
Done, sir.
Fine. 54, 5. If three vectors along coordinate axis represents adjacent sides of cube of length b, if this is cube, each of length b, adjacent side means all baju wala sides. So I can consider one side this way. This is one side. This is one side. And any three you can take. I can take this also. 3 adjacent side is B, then unit vector along the diagonal through the origin will be. What is meaning of diagonal? Any of you know meaning of diagonal? So this is B, this is B. If it is two-dimensional figure, then this is diagonal. Which if I take B I cap plus B J cap, then this will be diagonal B I cap plus B J cap in vector form. Here one more axis is there, third side. So we can say diagonal will be bi cap plus bj cap plus bk cap. This is diagonal. Two dimensional तो ये, third dimension मतलब इसको भी ऐड करना पड़ेगा. ये diagonal है. bi cap, bj cap और bz cap. फिर से बताओ कि समझा मीनिंग? नहीं समझा शायद. देखो ये क्यूब है. Adjacent sides are B. So if this is B, all are B. This is diagonal from one end to the other end. This is called diagonal. B का ये Pythagoras theorem है, because ये 90 degree होने वाला है. So if I consider this is x co-parallel and this is suppose z co-parallel, और ये y को पैरेलल. So this is x वाला is in vector form bi cap. ये z वाला bk cap. If I take this as x axis, this as y axis, and this as z. So this is bi cap parallel to x, bk cap parallel to z, and this is bk cap. So my diagonal AB will be equals to bi cap plus bj cap plus bk cap. Everybody has followed this much or not? Tell me first that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it is one liner. Now unit vector along diagonal is that diagonal upon its magnitude, which is b square plus b square plus b square. So if I take b common, it is I cap j cap plus k cap, and this is root 3 times b square. So b into root 3. I cap j cap k cap plus upon root 3. Check option hai?
D.
D option, yes. Solve. See, understand and solve. Nothing is that difficult. After this, again invest 1 minute of yours to think on sum number 56. Then I will explain you. Consider a vector f bar equals to 4i cap minus 3j cap. Another vector perpendicular to f bar will be vector perpendicular to f bar. Arya, you are there?
Yes, sir.
Which vector is which vectors are perpendicular? Any characteristics we know? Okay, these vectors are perpendicular. Or if perpendicular means something. Nobody knows? If vectors are perpendicular means what? When two vectors are perpendicular, then dash is 0.
Cross product.
Cross product.
Product.
आपने product तो बोला लेकिन wrong बोल दिया ना. When two vectors are perpendicular, then dot product is 0. अभी तो क्या है एक sum? When two पैरेलल रहेगा तो क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट 0. when two vectors are perpendicular, then not cross but dot product is 0. अभी ये लाइन अगर याद हो गया ना तो फिर आ जाएगा आंसर. What is dot product of two vector with itself? What is dot product of two vector with itself? पढ़ा ही नहीं क्या लगता है आप लोग ने फिर. Dot product with itself is square of magnitude. Dot product of two vector with itself is product of magnitude. Same vector is square of magnitude, and perpendicular vector is 0. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I take 4i plus 3j, इसका डॉट 0 होगा क्या? नहीं होगा ना. 4 4 16 है तो होएगा कैसा? पॉसिबल नहीं है ना. ये बी वाला देखते हैं. जिसका भी डॉट 0 वो आंसर है. अब ये भी 6 into 4 24, ये भी 0 नहीं. 7k कैप ये है क्या? देखो i डॉट
No,
k.
sir.
हाँ है ना, यही है. व्हाट इज i डॉट k? 0 ही है ना i डॉट k. 4i minus 3j का डॉट विथ 4k. सोचो अभी क्या होएगा. 7k.
Sir, it's 7.
4
Yes,
7s are 28. i डॉट k मतलब 0 और दूसरा
Okay,
वाला
sir.
21 बराबर आ गया ना. So
Yes,
is it
sir.
0? हाँ. C is the answer. 2 per I and k are perpendicular, so dot product 0. J and k are perpendicular, dot product 0. So required vector is C. See, from this chapter only one sum will come in the exam. But still we are doing so many sums because this will be included in many more chapters. 57. ये तो सबको आना ही चाहिए. 57. After completing 56, give your precious time on 57 and tell the answer with your wisdom. Think of on 57. I want answer from you all. Everybody should give correct, not only one or two students. Angle between A bar cross B bar and B bar cross A bar equal to. है कोई? माइका लाल? Angle between A bar cross B bar and B bar cross A bar. No idea? Can you tell me what will be direction of A bar cross B bar? Anybody knows what is direction of A bar cross B bar? चलो ये भी नहीं मालूम है, तो it is given by which rule? ये तो मालूम होगा. A bar cross B bar is a vector whose magnitude is product of magnitude and sine of smaller angle between them, and its direction is perpendicular to the plane containing two vectors. That means if this is A bar, this is B bar, and suppose this is perpendicular A bar cross B bar, तो ये B bar cross A bar नीचे होता है ना, ऐसा उल्टा होता है ना.
Yes, sir.
तो अभी तो आ गया है. अभी बोलो कितना एंगल है? मैंने तो 90% कितना?
pi 180 degrees.
वेरी गुड. 180 डिग्री और पाई रेडियन. मींस अगर ये प्लस है तो ये माइनस एंड वाइस वर्सा. तो प्लस अगर लेफ्ट में तो राइट होएगा, प्लस अगर लेफ्ट में तो माइनस होएगा राइट में, एंड वाइस वर्सा. ये भी 180 है. प्लस अगर ऊपर तो माइनस नीचे, ये भी 180 है. सो ऑलवेज एंगल बिटवीन क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट एंड इट्स इंटरचेंज वाला प्रोडक्ट इज ऑलवेज 1. 58. A vector perpendicular to both the vector 2i cap minus j cap plus 5k cap and x-axis is a vector which is perpendicular to both this vector. चलो दिमाग लगाओ जरा अभी. Which is that vector which is perpendicular to both the vector?
Cross product.
Very good. Cross product. So if I call this as A bar and x-axis as B bar, तो दोनों का cross product is perpendicular to both vectors. So vector, required vector is cross product. Cross product. So that means it is 2i cap minus j cap plus 5k cap cross with x-axis. What is x-axis? It can be anything. I cap, na? Hello?
I cap.
It can be 1i cap, 2i cap, 3i cap, that I don't know. So anything I cap, I said. Now this is 2 into 8, 2a I cap cross I minus 1 into a j cross I plus 5 into a k cross I. What is I cross I? 0. I cross I 0 होता है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is j cross I?
1.
j cross I 1 है. वो k होएगा, k cross product.
K cap.
प्लस के और माइनस के.
Minus k.
लास्ट वाला 5a. What is k cross I?
J.
Plus
K cap.
j. So that means your required option came as a k cap plus 5a j cap. a कुछ भी हो सकता है. देखता हूँ ऐसा है क्या ऑप्शन?
C. Option C.
Option C. Yes, 5j plus k, because a can be anything. 1 हो सकता है. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन C. मस्त समझा ना, एकदम दिमाग को एकदम फ्रेश कर दिया. See, you all are trying for engineering. So don't upset about whether you are knowing or you are not knowing. You have confidence, yes, I can do it. Then pay attention. Knowledge will become stronger. You will become good engineer. खुद का factory start करना or startup. Nowadays, India is promoting startups. Completed. Next sum we'll see now. Angle between A plus P and A minus P will be. A plus B and A minus B वेक्टर के बीच का एंगल पूछा है. जरा मैं डायग्राम बना तो आपको आइडिया आ जाएगा.
180 degrees only.
हाँ, what you are saying? 180 degree
180
only नहीं आएगा.
only.
नहीं, only नहीं. कैसा only?
Between 0 and 180.
Correct. Because if this is A and B, this becomes minus B. This is our diagonal, which is A bar plus B bar, and this is the another diagonal, which is A bar minus B bar. तो ये 0 और 180 के बीच वाला है ना, between 0 and 180. मस्त समझ. Draw diagram and then write the option so that things are better. 60th. After this, sum number 60. Unit vector parallel to resultant of vector A type. कुछ लाइन मिस हो गया लगता है. Sum number unit vector parallel to resultant of vector 8i. Parallel to resultant of vector 8i. A unit vector parallel to resultant of parallel to resultant of 8i plus 8j will be. Unit vector parallel to resultant of 8i plus 8j will be. Again invest your 1 minute. Now say, if any vector is parallel to means same direction, so it is becoming unit vector along 8i plus 8j, ये मीनिंग हो गया इसका। The unit vector parallel to resultant of vector. Resultant of vector. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
One vector they have not given in book only. Say resultant of vector 8i plus 8j will be. So from this, it will be resultant of vector this and एक vector और है, दिया नहीं है, अपना mistake नहीं, book में नहीं. So write 4i minus 3 will be our. So unit vector which is parallel to resultant of these two. What is resultant of 8i plus 8j and 4i minus 3j? Add करो दोनों. This will be 12i cap plus 5j cap. So unit vector parallel to this, is 12i plus 5j upon root of 12 square plus 5 square. That means 12i plus 5j upon root of 169, which is 13. Did you get the option?
Yes, sir. Option B.
Option B, correct. Are you enjoying this chapter? Hello?